What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Manny over here. We got a little project to talk about right here, and that is the, what year is this? 2017?
2017 Mustang GT.
8-speed.
My Pro Charger.
Yep.
On that thing right there.
This is the Mustang that I was talking about in the Rip Apart the Mustang video, that Manny put the Pro Charger on this car. It's an 8-speed automatic, unfortunately, and it is wrecked in the rear end because simply the guy who he sold it to can't handle the power. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video.
I hope not.
So he wrecked the ass of it, as you can see, on the turnpike, right? Or the Palmetto?
Turnpike.
On the turnpike. And it spun out, and that is the aftermath. So, someone needs a license plate now. So, taking this down to my buddies at Pro Quality Collision, where the Camaro is currently sitting. They did a little engine mod. Not really engine mod, but a little dress-up kind of mod. So, we're going to go pick up the Camaro, drop this shit off, and then we'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so we're at Pro Quality Collision, right over here. I can't flip the screen. We're gonna look at that beautiful Camaro. What's up, guys? Quick thing. Yes, this is a totally different day than you're seeing before. That Mustang was dropped off to Pro Quality Collision. That rear end is getting fixed. That frame is totally out of whack. And I feel bad for that kid. He's going through insurance, so he'll be okay. Quick thing. I wanted to show you guys what I had done at Pro Quality Collision. Really cool little dress-up modification I want to show you right now. Little color match here. Really, really smooth. It's perfect. It's done perfect. And thank you to Pro Quality Collision, my buddies over there. They did a great job on that. So super stoked, little color match, something kind of cool. I could have just left them the plastic cover, but I know them really well, and I was like, you know what, I'll just leave them in the car. It's kind of easier for me than taking this off, bringing it there, and a bunch of stuff like that. So job well done, super stoked. I did want to talk to you guys about one quick thing, and that is the fuse pull. Now, I could have done a whole separate video on the fuse pull, but I figured, you know what, that's a, you know, just to talk about a fuse pull, I might as well include it in this video. Give you one long video to watch. I did the fuse pull. Big difference. I think a good, really good noticeable difference in the sound of the cold starts, especially. Like, it just pops when you hit the start button. But loving it. Absolutely loving it. So what you guys got to do, you got to go to your fuse box, which is right on here. You're going to have these two little clips. Pop them off. Now, underneath that box, you have a little map right there for your fuses. Okay, so you guys want to go to number 51. F51 15A exhaust valve PTSQ. Okay, so if you can see that, that is the one you want to go to, which ends up being right here. All right, so go to this block here and count 1, 2, and it's right there. Now, once you yank that out with a pair of needle nose, like I did, all you got to do is turn on the car. Once you turn on the car, your valves are going to be left open at all times. Now, that is something, being a former Challenger owner, I wish that Dodge had done. I'll probably get heat for saying this, but basically what Dodge's exhaust is just a valve that when you hit the pedal, it's going to open and close, which was great. But I do, however, favor this exhaust over the fact that I can just pull a fuse and it's always open. If you had an SRT Challenger, you had, I think you put it in track mode and it's always open. But the Scat Packs, it was basically just a valve. You couldn't keep it always open. You'd have to buy like a valve. You'd have to buy the valve piece that would hold it open. But anyways, I'm going to show you the cold starts. I think it's a really cool little modification. It's free for you guys to do if you have a Camaro SS, any of the SS's. Now, the other way to change your exhaust sound is obviously through engine sound management. You can always change it to stealth, to tour, to sport, to track, and it's supposed to stay open. But what they don't tell you is in the higher gears, your 4th, 5th, and 6th, and actually the valves do close a little and the exhaust isn't as loud. So therefore, pulling that fuse is the best thing to do to enjoy the NPP exhaust at its best. Now, also, one quick thing I want to say, this does not set off any codes whatsoever. Like right now, I have it pulled, fuse is out, there's nothing at all on that beautiful display saying that it's out. So, totally safe to do, totally worth it. I think you guys should definitely give it a try if you are in the Camaro world. Totally cool option right there. And plus, you gain a little bit of horsepower. So I am going to be ordering Eibach Pro lowering springs for this car. I think it lowers it about 0.7 of an inch, so basically an inch if you really want to look at it. It's going to sit really, really nice. I've seen a lot of pictures, and I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing, so can't wait to get those on there. As well, we have a lot of things coming. I'm going to be ordering a secret engine exhaust mod. Gave it away already. Headers. We're getting Texas Speed headers. The Cat Delete, so it's going to be badass. Cannot wait for that. That is going to be, I think I might do that before the springs. I feel like engine mod would sound a lot, or exhaust mod would be a lot better than just having the car lower. I can always do that. I can do both. Pero no los dos. We'll see how it works. So, that's all I have for today, guys. Just a quick little update. We got that Project Mustang for that kid. And he actually is apparently wanting to build a 1,000 horsepower motor, which I think he should learn how to handle the 600 horse first before you go to 1,000, but whatever, it's not my car. So we got that going on. We got Manny, the update coming real soon. We're going in a couple of days to Blow By Racing to see Chris and check on the car, get it dynoed, etc. We're going to be ordering the headers once I sell those wheels sitting over there, which looks like I sold them, and I should find out Monday. And then we'll have this tune, this dyno, this loud, this sit nice, and then we're on the way to we're on the way to some good stuff. So you guys stay tuned. If you're stopping in for the first time, hit that subscribe button. How you doing? And hit that like button. I hope you guys had a great day. Look at that beautiful girl, and we'll see you in the next one.